Alright, you ready?
With the
We're about to unbox.
with the yellow box.
Alright.
Alright.
All you wanna do is bow. You ain't trying to live with God. You just trying to get it out.
Back with another one. Got a new toy today. The Apple Watch Series 3. So I'm excited about it. I got my son here, my special guest feature. Tell him hey.
Hey.
Good deal. So you gonna help Daddy open this up?
Yes.
Alright. Well, no. Yep. Daddy don't want you to play with knives, okay? But gonna open it up, so you gonna help Daddy open this up. Okay. Alright, you ready? Alright, rip it up. Rip it out. There you go. Rip it up. So not your traditional unboxing. So just decided to let my son enjoy this action. Oh yeah. Just got it today. So I'm excited. Know I'm a little late to the game, but hey, better late than never, right? You gotta pick it up like this. Oh yeah. You see that? Hold on, we gotta show them what's in there. Oh, they probably already know from all his videos. Yeah, just a extra band there. I got the space gray. So, you see that? Got that space gray. I held off on getting the watch up until this point because I wanted to be sure that it was fast enough and that it does some cool things. So there she is. You see that? Yep. Is that cool or what? Let's see how it look on your arm. You just ready to play with some stuff, ain't you? You know, already took out everything. Let's see how this Apple Watch look on you.
Whose watch is that?
It's Daddy Watch.
Daddy watch?
Yes, Daddy Watch. Is that cool or what? You could be the coolest kid with one of these, huh? Just in case y'all ain't know, my son, he's the coolest kid. So that's how it would look on his arm. So yeah, we're gonna pause the video, set this baby up, and we'll just give you a quick rundown after that. So it's currently doing this thing.
Daddy.
Huh?
He's trying to get me. Oh.
Yep, still syncing up.
Whoa.
So we're just waiting
Whoa.
on it to complete.
Whoa.
Almost done.
Whoa. Whoa. Ow.
Alright guys, got everything set up here. Already changed the watch face there. Also sync some of my apps, didn't sync all of them. Take this thing off real quick. Yeah, but got it got a little Bible app there, so I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, get the scripture of the day. I don't know what I did, but it was working a minute ago with the little Bible app there, but nevertheless, I like the fact that I can have the word right there on tap, but I'll probably find another one. Got my Nest app installed there, so y'all know I got some smart home stuff here, and y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all want to see some of my smart stuff. I know I've done a quick little video on some of my Belkin light switches, but yeah, y'all let me know. And anyway, just wanted to do this quick unboxing, and you know, y'all seeing my son, he got a little preoccupied. He playing the game on the iPad, so you know, kids, they'll get distracted real quick, so he's left me. But that's the charger, the power brick goes with it, and of course, you know, the extra smaller band comes pre-installed with the longer band already on there. So feels good on the wrist, so I'm excited. I would be definitely using the fitness part of it quite a bit. So that's the Space Gray Series 3. That's my unboxing of this baby, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, share, leave a comment. Holla at me.
All you wanna do
Blessings.
is bow. You ain't trying to live with God. You just trying to get it out. Real saints don't talk. Even when we hit the mile.